let's have a look at this, the set of numbers D that we have before and how we represent them on the number line. So we've got our number line here, and D is the set of numbers from -2 up to 3. So because we include the -2, we have a coloured in or a solid dot, but because we do not include the number 3, we go up to 3 but leave it open. Now before we had a set that was very similar to that. It was X, and we did the same thing from -2, but we didn't include 3 in that set as before. But what we said, what made it different, was that X was an element of all the integers, the Z's. So if I now introduce a number line into this, which numbers can go on there? Well, we can't have all these numbers in between -2 and 3. So instead, we have to include the -2. So let's put a little dot around there. We actually don't want anything in between, but we do want the -1. So a dot, a dot, a dot, and a dot, but not the 3. So that's how we can do that one. What would happen if we were to have a new set? Let's call it set A. And set A is all the numbers from -3. So X is greater than or equal to -3. And there's no end number. And X is included in all the real numbers. Okay, so this is open-ended. It goes from -3, including -3, up to all the real numbers. Let's add a number line, and let's see how we include the number line for that. Well, we want the -3 in there. Let's do this in green. We want the -3 in there. So we need a solid closed circle. And then we want to carry on all the way up. Now, I'm not going to draw the best straight line I can do. I'm going to put an arrow on it to show that that's carrying on upwards. It doesn't close off.